This is unseen theorem number 21 in the given figure. So O is the center of the circle and PQ. Okay, so this question we have already seen in question number 12 also. So question number 21 and question number 12, they are the revised type of question. So so in question number 12, if you see it in your copy, then your beta arc equals one proof one. Okay, and these two were given. They were parallel, and these two angles are equal one. This angle, they are parallel angle one. Now what is given? Now in this question, just reverse is given. This is parallel. So this arc, they are equal one. Proof one. This and this line, they are parallel to each other. This you need to prove it. Okay, you did a line parallel one. Prove one. So the relation. So if you see question number revised theorem, question number 2. Okay, if you see copies back again, so you will see that. Now let me start this one. So let me revise it again. So here angle AOB. So AOB. So this angle and this arc. Angle at the center, opposite particle arcs. Okay, this is going to be equal. This is going to be equal. Now next one is this angle at the circumference, and the angle, this arc, this is half. This angle will be half. Okay, this angle will be half. Angle at the circumference will be half. Angle at the center will be equal. Okay, so this relation you need to remember. So ये relation में हामी चलिरहेछौँ. So let me start. So given. In case of given, so everything you need to write down the same. Okay, whatever it is given in the question. So in the given figure, so is the center of the circle, and PQ arc, this arc and this arc, they are equal to each other. Your arc equals 7 k is to opposite angle, this angle, they are equal. Right? So arc cancel the arc. So PQ. So PQ. भनेपछि यो P र Q ले चाहिँ कुनै पनि एंगल बनाएको छैन है यहाँ त. राम्ररी हेर्दा P र Q बाट so angle is not made from PQ. So यहाँबाट कसरी एंगल बन्यो? न त यसरी सेन्टरबाट बनेको छ. Okay, so it's not made in the center also, it is not made in the circumference also. So योबाट बनेको छैन. तर यसलाई के गर्न सकिन्छ? यसलाई अर्को उपाय पनि छ है यहाँबाट गर्ने. So let us start. To prove, so AB is parallel to OP. This and this, they are parallel to each other. Parallel को लागि के गर्नु पर्यो रे? Corresponding angle. यो दुईटा angle, if we can say that they are equal to each other, then we can say that these two lines are also parallel to each other. यो दुईटा angle चाहिँ equal भनेर we need to prove it. So one thing, so I have written over here. So this, in case of parallel line, we need to go through three ways: either corresponding way, or alternate way, or co-interior angle way. In the case of the Munari, so there is a parallel line. That means we need to go by the corresponding angle way. Okay, so as far as relation, there is a corresponding angle. There is no Z shape. Okay, so भित्र को angle पनि छैन. यता के छ? भित्र अनि अर्को बाहिरपट्टि angle. So if we can prove that these two angles, they are equal to each other, then we can say that these two lines, they are parallel to each other. So कसरी prove गर्ने? Let us see again. Now, so this is the first one. So it is given in the question itself. So PQ arc and PB arc. So PQ and PB, they are equal to each other. So these two arc, they are equal to each other. So यो दुईटा arc equal छ भने यसको opposite के हो त भन्दाखेरि, so PB को opposite के छ? यो angle छ. Okay, angle at the center. So angle at the center, यो arc मा के छ equal? के छ relation? They are equal to each other. So PB arc, so PB arc is equal to POP. It is equal to POP, यो angle. So PB को opposite angle at the center, they are going to be equal. Okay, so as we have learned already. So angle equal angle at the center made by the equal arc. So if you go in the next statement, then you can see that. So PQ, so QB. So let us take whole. यो सबै लिने किनभने यो एंगल, यो जुन एंगल छ, हामीले यो एंगल पनि चाहिएको थियो किनभने यो दुईटा एंगल को प्रुफ गर्नु पर्छ दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर. कसको माबाट एकदम धेरै नोइज आइरहेछ. स्टिल मा सेपरेट. So यो angle को opposite arc कता छ त भन्दाखेरि यो लाइन कहाँबाट बनेछ Q सम्म बनेछ यो अर्को कहाँबाट सम्म बनेछ B सम्म बनेछ that means यसको arc कुन हो Q देखि B सम्म हो है so QB arc को चाहिँ opposite angle हो यो Q देखि B सम्म opposite arc है so QB arc भनेको so QB arc भनेको यसको opposite angle कुन हो त भन्दाखेरि so it is double right so QB is double of QAB. QAB. So always remember. So your arc double हुन्छ. Okay. Angle चाहिँ half हुन्छ, arc चाहिँ double हुन्छ. So हामी angle सँग compare गरेको that's why. So this arc को opposite जुन angle छ. So this angle and your arc. So angle is half, arc चाहिँ के हो त double हो. Okay, so next number 4. This angle and this arc they are equal. This angle and this whole arc they are equal. Now, if this arc and this arc they are equal or not? If the arc equal arc equal that means PB को ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पाइन्छ PQ okay QP plus PB लेख्नु पाइन्छ okay instead of writing QB हैन यता QP लेछ you can see the screen over here cursor QB जुन लेखिरहेछ QB भनेको दुईटा चिजले बनेको छ it is made by QP plus PB so let us exchange the numbers QP भनेको so it is PB plus so sorry QB भनेको so it is QP plus PB okay so because QB means it is the addition of QP plus PB okay यो दुईटा प्लस गरेर यो बनेको हो that's why यो दुईटा प्लस गर्न पाइन्छ just exchanging the value okay so 2 को ठाउँमा 1 plus 1 भने जस्तै हो त correct now यता माथिपट्टि हेर्ने त यता अर्को रिलेसन पनि लेखिरहेछ त so PQ है so QP लेखिरहेछ तर यता PQ छ so एउटै हो यो PQ र PB भनेको so PQ को ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पाइन्छ so you can write down PB also because they are equal to each other यो र यो लाइन यो आर्क र यो आर्क इक्वल हो that means यो आर्क को ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पाइन्छ PB नै लेख्नु पाइन्छ okay so that's why so PQ को ठाउँमा so QP को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने PB लेख्दिने यो दुईटा इक्वल हो यो 2 सेन्टिमिटर हो यो 2.2 सेन्टिमिटर भने यसको ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पाइन्छ यो लेख्नु पाइन्छ okay so because these two arcs they are equal to each other so exchange the number okay exchange the arc QP को ठाउँमा के लेख्दिने PB नै लेख्दिने because these two arcs they are equal to each other so यो कहाँ पनि छ स्टेटमेन्ट 1 मा पनि लेख्दिकै छ हामीले है स्टेटमेन्ट 1 मा अनि त्यसपछि so PB plus PB it will be what so PB plus PB it will be 2PB so when 2 so PB plus PB it will be 2B okay so so here is also 2 angle QAB हैन so यतापट्टि so 2 र 2 क्यान्सल यता गर्दा नि भयो नभए हामीले हेर्ने त so PB को भ्यालु अर्को के छ what is the value of PB it is POP हैन त so PB को अर्को नाम के छ त अर्को एंगल कति छ त यसको अपोजिट एंगल it is POP so यसको ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पाइन्छ so we can write down so instead of PB you can write down so PB R को ठाउँमा के लेख्नु पाइन्छ POP लेख्नु पाइन्छ so let us write down POP so let's make this photo so look at here so PB को ठाउँमा के so PB plus PB will be 2B okay so 2 र 2 यता क्यान्सल गर्दा नि नभए PB को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने what is the value of PB POP so let us write down POP now so 2 and 2 will be cancelled okay so 2 and 2 will be cancelled that means so के भयो त POP equals to QAB भयो so POP भनेको यो एंगल QAP भनेको so this angle so if these two angles they are equal हामीले यहाँ प्रुफ गर्यौं they are equal to each other भन्छ यो 2 र 2 क्यान्सल गरेर हुन्छ यो तिम्रो क्यान्सल गरिदिनु so if these two and 2 will be cancelled then this angle and this angle they are going to be equal to each other this and this angle they are going to be equal to each other यो इक्वल हुनु भनेको के हो these two lines they are parallel to each other है हामीले पढे अनुसार so whenever there is parallel line proof गर्नु भनेछ भने so there must be either alternate angle or there's corresponding angle or co-inter angle so here there is a corresponding angle that's why we can say that these two lines they are parallel to each other. Parallel छ यो दुईटा. So हामीले यो दुईटा एंगल प्रुभ गर्यौं. So यो प्रुभ गर्नु नै यो दुईटा लाइन प्यारल हो. So this is the end of theorem number 21. Got it? So if you have any problem, you can see the recorded video, repeat it, you can see it. Okay, so afterwards I will post it in the video. You can see afterwards. So let us go to the next theorem, theorem number 22.
Post in the YouTube.
With your photo, I think you have used your farewell photo, the farewell dresses. Okay, so in the given figure, so P is the any point. यसरी दुईटा कर्ड दिएको छ हैन, यो पनि एउटा कर्ड नै हो. कर्ड भनेको
given na 21.
Okay, next number. So in the given figure, so P is any point, okay, on the chord AC and BD. So here is AC. There is a line over here. So let me draw over here. So let me highlight over here. So there is a line AC. Okay, and next line there is BD. There are two chords. Okay, line means chord. Any line drawn on the circle, they are called the chords. So here P is any point. If P is happen ठोकिन सक्छ. So if you have made like this, chord यसरी बनाएको भए यसरी पनि ठोकिन सक्यो अरे. यो P यहाँ पनि हुन सक्छ. यो कतै जहाँ पनि एउटा जस्ट सामान्य बनेको एउटा पोइन्ट हो यो P. Okay? Okay. So in this line AC and BD, so P is made. Now, so what is given over here? So PB and PC. So PB and PC, let me highlight with the next color. So PB and PC. So this line, hope you can see the color over here. So PB and PC, these two lines, okay, so these two lines, they are equal to each other. So PB and PC, they are equal to each other. Okay. Then prove that AD, so AB, that's AB. Okay, so we are talking about this triangle, right? AB and BD, they are equal to each other. अर्को के भनेछ AC भनेको यो पुरै लाइन यो सेकेन्ड नम्बरलाई अलिक एसी छोडिदिउँ होला. सो अर्को आर्क, त्यो आर्कलाई पनि एसी छोडिदिउँ होला. सो लेट अस फोकस इन क्वेशन नम्बर 1. Okay, so in this question we are asked to prove AB equals to BD. Can you see two triangles over here? Hello, can you see two triangles over here?
Yes, sir.
Whenever there is two triangles, always remember we need to do it by the congruent triangle method. Okay, so you bigger triangle let us run. So let us solve it by congruent triangle. Congruent triangle one per se. So whenever there are two triangles, हामीले congruency हामीले prove गर्यौं भने, so we can prove anything. Okay, हामीले जे पनि prove गर्नु पाइन्छ. Congruent भने के हो? Two things are equal. Two triangles are equal. If we can prove that two triangles are equal, then we can say that any sides they are equal to each other. Okay, so हामीले के प्रुभ गर्न सक्यौं अरे भन्दाखेरि यो राइट ह्यान्ड र लेफ्ट ह्यान्ड इक्वल छ भने हामीले बुढियाउला दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर, कान्छीवाला दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर. That also we can say. Okay, so that's why let's prove congruent. Whenever there is triangle, always go by the congruent triangle method. Right? Okay, so let us go. So first of all, let us write on the given. Okay, so given must be written as given in the question itself. So P is the center of, so P is any point on chord AC and this one. Okay, so this PB and PC, they are equal to each other. अनि ग्रुपमा के छ तीनटा चीज प्रुभ गर्नु भनेछ, तीनटा चीज लेखिने प्यारल के. Okay, so this is given and to prove. So given र proof त लेख्न आउँछ नै होला सायद तिमीलाई अब. Now next thing, so let us go to proof statement region. Statement region हेरौं. सो सार्नेहरुले एकछिनमा तिमीले युट्युबबाट सार्दा हुन्छ, पहिला हेरौं बुझौं सार्ने मात्रै. So look at here. So number 1, so in triangle APB, in this triangle, so this triangle and this triangle, what are equal to each other? Your triangle में कितने equal है? Let us see. So they are in the butterfly shape. Okay, they are in the X shape. So X shape means there is obviously one angle called inscribed angle. We are talking about this triangle and this triangle. And this angle and this angle, they are equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are inscribed angle. Next one, this angle and this angle, they are also the inscribed angle. So this angle and this angle, they are also equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are inscribed angle. So next thing, one more thing there must be there. Okay, so एउटा अझै हुनु पर्यो के हुनु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि सो तीनटा चिजको इक्वल हुनु पर्यो त अनि एउटा साइड त हुनै पर्छ. ओके, सो त्यो एंगल त इक्वल आइसक्यो, वान वान इक्वल आयो, अर्को इक्वल आयो. अब अझै इक्वल आउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. ओके, सो के छ भन्दाखेरि लुक एट द क्वेशन गिभनमा के भन्छ PB equals to PC. कहाँ छ PB? ओ यो पनि यही ट्रायंगलमै रहेछ. PB equals to PC. Okay, so if we can say that these three angles and sides, they are equal to each other in these two triangles, then we can say that these two triangles, they are congruent to each other. You need that triangle congruent on their proof on something. Okay, and if we can say that they are congruent to each other, then keep on answer question number 1 ma AB and BD DC, they are equal to each other. AB and DC यो पनि यही triangle मै रहेछ. That means we can say that this is the equal sides of congruent triangle. यो triangle पुरै equal छ. Congruent को मतलब के रे? They are almost equal. Okay, almost they are all equal. सबै equal छ. है equal भएकोले गर्दाखेरि we can say that AB and DC, they are equal to each other. ल प्रुफ गरौँ त तीनटा triangle एउटा. कुन triangle लिने रे? ABP and DPC. DPC. Okay, so in this two triangle, number 1 के लेख्नु परेन. So what are equal to each other? So PB equals to PC. Where is PB? So this PB equals to PC because it was given in the question itself. Like question में देखा सर given ना. So PB and PC the equal होने देखा सर. Right? So और क्या सर? Let us write down inscribed angle. So PAP. This angle and this angle, they are equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are inscribed angle. Next one, here also there is inscribed angle. So down also, if you see this side, angle ABP and angle PCD, these two angles, they are also equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are also inscribed angle. So तीनटा चीज equal आयो भने के भन्नु पाइन्छ? So we can say that these two triangles, they are congruent to each other. So लेख्दिने. Okay, तीनटा चीज equal आछ. So let us write down triangle ABP, that means this triangle, they are equal to triangle DPC, this triangle. Right, you did a triangle equal. Okay, congruent. So reason के हुनु पर्ने हो? Tell me the reason. के exam हो यो? What is the exam? What is this? What is this? Angle or side?
Side.
What is this? Angle. What is this? Angle. That was key exam हुनु पर्यो त? SAA exam. Okay, so you can see over here. It is SAA exam. So we have proved that these two triangles, they are equal to. Okay, I have highlighted over here also. So these two triangles, they are equal to each other. So if these two triangles are equal, then what we can say? So any sides they can be equal to each other. Now AB is equal to DC. We can write AB equals to DC. लेख्नु पाइन्छ किनभने यो दुईटा ट्रायंगल इक्वल हो भने लेख्नु पाइहाल्छ. एउटा आँखा अर्को आँखा इक्वल हो भने पाइन्छ अब. ओके, सो आधी पाटा तिमीहरुको इक्वल छ भनेपछि तिमीहरुको एउटा कान र राइट पट्टिको कान र लेफ्ट पट्टिको कान दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर. ओके, बराबर हुन्छ तिमीहरु. एउटा सानो र छोटो त हुँदैन. ओके, ठुलो हुँदैन. So that's why, so congruency proof गरेपछि these two side, any side you can say, if we are asked to prove this line and this line they are equal भनेर prove गर भने नि you can write down that one also. AB equals to BD भनेर पाइन्छ. ओके, congruent proof गरेपछि अर्को हेर्नु त नम्बर 3 मा. ओके, सो यही प्रुफ गर्नु भनेछ नम्बर 1 को AB equals to DC. के लेख्ने अरे? They are equal भन्ने किन भन्ने? Because they are equal sides of congruent triangle. Is it okay or not? यतिसम्म लेख्यो नि नम्बर 1 को आन्सर भयो. Any problem? सोचिरहेको होला नम्बर 1 को यत्रो लामो छ भने 2 र 3 को अझै लामो होला भनेर सोचिरहेको होला. So number 2 को after getting this much we can easily get the answer of number 2 and 3 also. Okay, so after that let us go to the next number. Number 4. I mute to all. Sorry, disturb. So P number 4 in it. Number 4 statement. So AP is equal to PD. Okay, so first of all, let us see what we need to prove. AC equals to PD. AC, this line, हाम्रो त ट्रायंगल मा त यतिसम्म मात्रै थियो ओके तर हामीलाई के प्रुफ गर्नु भएछ AC यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म प्रुफ गर्नु भएछ अर्को के प्रुफ गर्नु भएछ PD अदरवाइज DB के भनेछ अर्को BD okay so AC and BD they are equal to each other so AC and BD they are equal to each other भनेर प्रुफ गर्नु पर्छ सो के गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि यो दुईटा त इक्वल नै थियो है यो दुईटा त इक्वल नै थियो अब के छ भन्दाखेरि यो लाइन पनि त दे आर द पार्ट अफ दिस ट्रायंगल यो लाइन पनि दे आर द पार्ट अफ दिस ट्रायंगल यसलाई पनि कङ्ग्रुएन्ट प्रुफ गर्नु त कङ्ग्रुएन्ट हो भनेर भन्नु त सो लेख्दियौ सो AP equals to PD okay so AP equals to PD किन त भन्दाखेरि यो पनि त कङ्ग्रुएन्ट को पार्ट हो ओके सो इक्वल साइड्स अफ कङ्ग्रुएन्ट ट्रायंगल लेख्दियौ सो AP equals to PD किन यो दुईटा एंगल लेखेको त भन्दाखेरि हामीलाई यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म चाहिएको छ यो दुईटा त इक्वल नै थियो ओके सो सपोज यो 10 हो यो पनि 10 हो है यो दुईटा त बराबर नै छ हामी प्रुफ गरौँ यो र यो 5 5 हो भनेर प्रुफ गरौँ इक्वल हो भन्नु खोजेको दे आर इक्वल टु इच अदर now after getting these two line आदि पार्ट निकाल्नु पर्ला so if they are equal to each other okay then what you can write down so 5 र 10 लाई प्लस गर्दियौ okay 5 र 10 लाई प्लस that means AP र PC लाई प्लस गर्दियौ भने it is going to be what it is going to be AC यो पार्ट र यो पार्ट प्लस गर्दियौ okay पहिला प्रुफ गरौँ यो र यो इक्वल हो यो र यो इक्वल हो यो र यो त इक्वल देखाइ नै छ यो र यो इक्वल प्रुफ गरौँ that means अब के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि this line and this line प्लस गरौँ this line and this line प्लस गरौँ 5 र 10 15 भयो यो त 5 र 10 के भयो 15 भयो that means this line and this line they are equal to each other यसरी प्रुफ गर्ने so AP equals to PD okay so let us prove AP equals to PD because they are also the equal sides of congruent triangle number 5 पछि के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि अब दुईटालाई प्लस गरिदिने है सो AP र केलाई प्लस गर्ने PC लाई प्लस गर्ने है PC कहाँ थियो भन्दाखेरि यतापट्टि छ so they are equal to each other it is in the given itself right given मा क्या छ given so AP equals to PC it is given in the question itself so AP र PC लाई प्लस गरिदिउँ AP र PC लाई अर्को PD र DPM BP लाई प्लस गरिदिउँ यसलाई र यसलाई प्लस गरिदिउँ okay so when we add these two lines then यसलाई प्लस गर्दा के भयो AP plus PB it is going to be AC so अर्को so this plus this it is going to be PD okay so PD so यो कहाँबाट आयो त भन्दाखेरि फर्म स्टेटमेन्ट 4 भनेपछि AP यहाँ 4 बाट थियो PD पनि 4 बाट थियो हैन अर्को PC चाहिँ कहाँ थियो फर्म स्टेटमेन्ट 1 को A बाट अदरवाइज यु क्यान राइट एन्ड गिवन लेख्दा नि हुन्छ किनभने यो 1 A त कहाँ छ इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेशन इटसेल्फ है क्वेशनमै छ यसको 1 A को ठाउँमा गिवन लेख्दा नि हुन्छ ओके सो अर्को पनि प्रुफ भयो सो AC इक्वल्स टु PD पनि भएको अब लास्टमा हेर्ने त ABC आर्क ABC यहाँ छ ABC यस्तो खालको आर्क ओके आर्क इक्वल हुनुको लागि के चाहियो कि त कट चाहियो कि त एंगल चाहियो कट साइनसँग इक्वल है सो हामीले भर्खर यो AC भनेर प्रुफ गर्यौं AC को अपोजिट आर्क हो के नि okay this is the opposite arc of this angle of this chord okay so यो यसको अपोजिट आर्क हो अनि अर्को हेर्ने भने पर हामीले यो पनि प्रुफ गर्यौं BD पनि प्रुफ गर्यौं यो BD को अपोजिट आर्क यतापट्टि छ यो BD नै भने सोधेछ त BCD भनेको यही आर्क नै सोधेको रहेछ तिमीलाई ये नै रहेछ सो यो chord को अपोजिट आर्क हो यो लाइन को अपोजिट आर्क हो ओके that means so ABC भनेको it is the opposite arc of AC so BCD भनेको it is the opposite arc of BD यसको अपोजिट आर्क अनि अपोजिट आर्क of equal chord they are always equal so हेरौं त अर्को number so you can see that now see in this figure let me drop this. So ABC, this chord, sorry, this arc, this is the opposite of this chord. AC र के इक्वल आथ्यो अहिले भर्खर यो लाइन तानिहालौँ ल भर्खर के आथ्यो AC अनि BD they are equal to each other. यसको अपोजिट के हो यसको अपोजिट आर्क इट इज ABC. यसको अपोजिट आर्क के थियो यसको अपोजिट आर्क यसको अपोजिट आर्क BCD. Okay, so इसको अपोजिट आर्क के हो यसको अपोजिट आर्क के हो. That means equal chord को opposite arc जहिले पनि equal हुन्छ. That's why they are equal to each other. Okay, so opposite arc of equal chords are equal to each other, and it was given in statement 5. Statement 5 मा यो दुईटा equal थियो अनि यसको opposite arc they are equal to each other भनेर पाइन्छ. Is it okay or not? In this way we can prove it they are equal to each other. Any problem? बुझेन